Going to study chapter 11, the triangle and its properties. You all very well know that what is a triangle. A triangle is a closed figure formed by joining three non-collinear points. Okay, so these are the three non-collinear points. If we join them, we get a triangle. Okay, the triangles have three vertices, means 3 points, 3 sides and 3 angles. Okay, the points which are inside the triangle they are in the interior, and the points which are outside the triangle, they are in the exterior. And if the point is on the line, then it is called on the triangle, boundary region. Okay, now classification of triangles. Triangles are classified on the basis of their sides and angles. So first we will see according to sides. So first is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle is a triangle in which all three sides are length. Okay, isosceles triangle. In this triangle, any of the two sides are equal to each other. Then comes equilateral triangle. A triangle having all three sides equal, and if all three sides equal, then all three angles are also equal and they are 60 degree each. Now these were the varieties of scalene, isosceles and equilateral. They were according to the sides. Now we will see definition according to the angles. First is acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle means a triangle in which all three angles are acute. Acute means less than 90 degree, between 0 to 90. So such triangle is called acute angle triangle. Next is obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle, any one angle is greater than 90 degree, means any one angle is obtuse. You cannot have more than one angle obtuse in your triangle. Now next is right angled triangle. In this, one angle is 90 degree. Okay, that is why it is called a right angled triangle. In case of obtuse and right, you can only have one angle obtuse and you can have only one angle right. Okay, now we will see medians of a triangle. What is a median? A median segment which joins the vertex to the midpoint of other side, means from vertex to the midpoint of other side. If this type of line is there, it is called the median. Now altitude means perpendicular. Altitude is something which is perpendicular to your BC. AD perpendicular BC. Here the line is slightly tilted, but it should be straight as 90 degree. Here it will be making 90 degree angle. Okay, so this is called altitudes of a triangle. You have 3 altitudes and 3 medians. Now important properties. Property 1 is angle sum property of a triangle. What is the angle sum property? The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is the angle sum property of triangle, that all three angles sum up to 180 degree. Okay, now we have studied the following facts. A triangle cannot have more than one right angle. A triangle cannot have more than one obtuse angle. In a right triangle, sum of acute angles is 90. Obviously, if one angle is 90, then other two will add up to 90 only, because there is total 180. Okay, this is what they are trying to say. Now what you have to note down in your copy: definition of triangle, okay, then definition of scalene, isosceles, equilateral triangle, acute angle triangle, obtuse, right, median, altitudes. All these definitions you have to note down along with the figure, and this property also you have to write down, this first line and this second line along with this diagram. Okay, now we will start with the now we will see what is given in the exercise, and you should go through all these solved examples. They will make your concept very clear.